Hi, I'm Angharad Milenkovic, Vice President Advancement at University College London. It's National Volunteers Week here in the UK, so I wanted to take this opportunity to thank our global network of alumni volunteers for all you do for UCL. You're dedicated, you're professional, and you're loyal, and you're deeply generous with your time and your experiences. Thank you so much for making a difference to the lives of our prospective students, our current students, and other members of the alumni community. When you share your experiences, when you share what it was like to study at UCL and enter the world of work, you give our students confidence. You get them even more excited about the opportunity that UCL brings them and what will happen to them professionally when they enter the world of work. Because they've seen you succeed, they know they can too. And they know it's right to follow their passions and their dreams because they hear you doing exactly that. So thank you for speaking to our prospective students and current students, talking at events, mentoring them, and also running the amazing network of alumni, either based on professionalisms or based on locality. It's a wonderful community, and it's a wonderful community because of the contributions you give. So thank you for your time. Thank you for your commitment to UCL and for your commitment to each other. You're making a huge difference.